You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide your last seen status on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, tap on Messages and Story Replies under the Messages section. Tap on the option labeled Other People. Here you will see a setting called Show Activity Status. Tap the toggle switch next to it. The switch will move to the left and turn from blue to gray, indicating it is now off. A confirmation pop-up will appear, explaining that turning this off will also hide others' activity status from you. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Your last seen and current online status are now hidden. No one will be able to see when you were last active or if you are currently online in the direct message list. Remember, this setting applies to all your Instagram chats. You can turn it back on at any time by following the same steps and toggling the switch on. Hiding your activity status gives you more privacy, but it also means you cannot see the activity status of other users, even if they have theirs turned on. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.